Hey, I am Mari and today we're going to create this. Okay, let's start. Go back to your gallery, open a new canvas. I'm gonna use a 2048 by 2048 and we're going to start creating the brush, which is one of my brushes included in double calligraphy with a star. I will show you how this works. And it looks like this. We're gonna use this brush. And I'm gonna tell you how to create the effect with all the colorings in the back. Okay, so keep tuned. Okay, so first, for creating the brush, we're going to use a dark background because that's how I like it, but you can check other videos that some people just use the white background. But anyways, so I'm gonna take a basic brush that you can find it in, sorry, I have so many brushes right now. You can just go to the original brushes here in calligraphy and check the monoline brush. That will be totally fine. And I'm going to choose white for this. And we're going to create like a basic shape. We want it slanted, so let's create like this. Hold it, touch for a straight line, okay? So we're going to start with this. Now, on top of this, we're going to create a star or whatever shape you want. I already have a star or a sky brush set that are full of stamps of stars, but you can also draw it by hand, it's fine. I will just cheat a little bit with mine here. I will use, let's use this one. And to be able to see it on top, I will reduce the opacity a little bit of this one, and in the second layer on top, then I'm going to create this star. Let's create it a bit bigger. Okay, now we have it. We take the first layer, we increase the opacity again to the maximum. We are not able to see the star, but it's there, okay? Now, we're gonna turn off the background color and the layer of the star. So we're going to start with this shape. 3 fingers down to copy all, and now we go to, I have here tutorial brushes, and you're going to add a new brush here. Go to first to properties, to Apple Pencil, because I don't want to reduce the opacity with the pressure. I get rid of that at the beginning. So let's go to shape, edit, import and paste. Now we have our shape here. I'm going to duplicate this brush, and now you see it's the same shape. Now we're going to go to the second layer, turning on and turning off the first layer. 3 fingers down, copy all, and we go to that duplicated brush. Go to edit, the shape, edit, import, paste. And you can see it's placed actually where we want it to be. And now we have our star. I'm going to increase the spacing here so it's separated. Let me show you with a higher preview size. Okay, with the spacing, you just increase the space between the stars. Great. Now, what you're going to do is to create a double brush. So you select first the big brush, let's say, to the right, and then the second one to the right. Now you can see that both are selected. We click here on combine. Now we have our combined brush. Here, we're gonna touch, and instead of normal, we go with subtract or difference, and you will see the difference between these two. Okay, let's go with difference now. So basically we're showing the difference between both brushes. Okay, so now that we're ready, let's create a new layer and try our new brush. Now you have a slanted brush with stars in the middle. Okay, now that we have this, we want to create the effect of different colors without changing the actual colors here. So how to create that effect? I don't know if you were, when you were kids, you painted with a lot of colors, and then on top you put like black paint, and then after the black paint dries, you can scrap the black paint and you get the colors behind. So it's the same principle, okay? So what I'm gonna do is the following. I'm gonna go here with freehand, and I'm gonna fill it up, in a new layer. I'm going to fill it with these colors. Let's start again. Here, freehand, any shape you want. And I have here like rainbow colors, and you can start with the color you prefer. Now that you have the colors you want, you can use Gaussian blur here, and with this behind, we're going to create a mask of this layer. This mask, we're going to paint it black, exactly as you do on paper with black paint. Now, with white and our new brush here selected, we're going to write wherever you want. Let's increase here the size. And if you don't like the result, then you can clear here and you can draw again here. Let's use this big eraser I have here, and be sure you are writing on the layer below, and then this is too big, and then it's like magic again because you're using the colors behind. Now I like this better, and if you don't want to keep touching here, you can do this as well. Drag this and maybe this. You can create the Gaussian blur again, or you can keep it like that. I like the Gaussian blur because it gives me like a mixture of colors in between. So there it is. That's how you create mask, and you can create some magic with it. Another option is to erase the black. For example, let's duplicate this layer, turn this off, and I'm going to delete this mask. So if you have these, you can also use this new brush as an eraser, and it will do the opposite. So this is another method and another way of using the brush. Let me know in the comments which one you like the most. If you want to see more, just subscribe and give me the thumbs up so I keep trying new brushes and new tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye!